take one of your playing card. Okay, you can take any card and fold like this. Okay, here, and fold like this. Okay, so there's a little space right here. Okay, I call it window. Okay, so your audience can see the card. Okay, so one more time here, just fold and fold again. Okay, and you need a gimmick, a little gimmick. Okay, the gimmick is this. This is a little pieces of another playing card. Okay, so you just take another card and you just cut and take small pieces. Okay, the corner. Okay, and the size of these pieces, okay, is big enough to cover your window, but not too much. Okay, so these pieces will hide behind the fold. Okay, because the position is look like this. Okay, you just place these pieces right here. Okay, so you can put like this. Okay, so you can come and showing like this. Okay, so your audience can see the card. Okay, in this case is Queen of Heart. And to do the check is really simple. All you do, okay, you just release and cause these pieces drop into the fold. Okay, I do slow. This is what happened. Okay, so your pieces down or pull into your pieces. So for this size, you just can maintain, okay, with your folding card. Okay, so here you just place, okay, you just place right here. Okay, and you can come like this, and the way you do the chain is a little bit sideways, not too horizontal like this or do vertical like this, just sideways. Okay, and of course you release with a gentle shake. Okay, don't hard, just gentle shake and release, and this is what happened. And now we talk from the beginning how to handle your gimmick. Okay, so remember, fold again. Okay, place your pieces, okay, just about your window, and you just clip it with a paper clip. Okay, just take your paper clip and just clip the pieces at the window right here. Okay, just place right here. Okay, and this is your setup, and because this is folder cut, so your audience will understand why the reason you put paper clip right here. Okay, but in this case you just to hold your pieces. Okay, so this is your preparation, and after that you can put it on your pocket or on your card case. You can use it as a prediction if you want it, but this is the preparation. Okay, so anytime you're ready, you just bring out, okay, and you just remove the paper clip, and you are ready. Remember, you just place on the sideway. Remember, not too vertical or horizontal, just a sideway like this. Remember, with a gentle shake, just release your pressure like this, and the card chain. Okay, and the first thing you want to do, you can turn over by pressing, by still pressing the folded card. You just turn over like this. Okay, so that you unfold the card. The first thing you unfold like this. Now after the first unfold, you just turn this card facing you, and when you unfold the last fold, secretly you just get transfer these pieces on your left or on your right. Okay, it's completely up to you. In this case, I will transfer on my left hand. Okay, after that I come back and showing like this. So one more time. Okay, remember, you just place pieces on your window, on your folding card. Okay, if you want it, you can clip it with a paper clip. Okay, so anytime you're ready, just take out the paper clip and hold like this. If you want it, you can use your palm as a help. You just touch like this, at the same time just release. Okay, after that you just fold, first fold showing like this, and the second fold just turn over facing you. Okay, completely unfold and transfer the pieces into your palm, and you just turn over, and this card is completely examinable. You can hand out this to your audience, and the pieces on your palm you can put it on your pocket, and or you just dish it, and yet you are completely clean.